Hey Tuck followers, Keith and Jackson here. Today we're going to be opening up the Muse Mattress. Now this is a memory foam bed, 12 inches high, comes in 3 different firmness options. The bed comes with a 120-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 10-year warranty. Let's take a look inside.
So that popped up pretty quickly, but I would still expect this to come to life in about 24 to 48 hours.
Yeah, I would say so. Smells like there's some memory foam in here. Nothing too crazy, but you definitely do get a little bit of off-gassing. The cover definitely has a little bit of a PCM, so phase change material in it. It is cool to the touch and a little bit slick.
As a memory foam bed, there's not a ton of response to this, not a lot of bounce, a little slower to recover.
It's not as slow as, say, your average Tempur-Pedic, but it is slower recovery than some of the more responsive foams.
Yeah, like a latex or a hybrid. But again, it still needs some time to fully recover after being in a box. So you can expect some of these feel changes to be different.
Let's take a look inside the mattress. As you can see, you've got the gel-infused visco here on top, which is a little bit slower to recover. You got 3 other layers beneath that. There's a transitional here, and then it looks like
You got your base support foam here.
and then you've got the fire sock here, which is what you see.
Right.
If I were to sit here, it sinks exactly like a memory foam mattress does. Not as much edge support when sitting there. If I lay next to the edge of the bed, I'm an average weight sleeper, I feel fine. There's definitely some sinkage here though. Jackson, how do you feel?
Yeah, I wouldn't say the edge support is particularly strong, but it's pretty standard for a memory foam bed.
Where would you put this on the firmness scale?
I'd say it's probably in that universal comfort, that medium firm range. Maybe a little bit softer, maybe more of a medium feel.
Yeah, I'd put this at about a medium, which is exactly as advertised. I'd probably put it at about 5, 5.5.
Yeah.
Especially after it fully recovers.
Right. Now, would you say this is good for a stomach or a back sleeper or a side sleeper?
I would sleep on my side on this bed. It is more conforming, and this is pretty comfortable. What about you?
Yeah, I would agree. The stomach might not be quite enough support, but on the side, it feels quite nice. It's got some nice absorbing quality to it with that memory foam.
Yeah, how do you feel? Do you feel me at all?
No, motion isolation is pretty solid, as expected. Can't really feel Keith rolling around at all. And I would expect you feel the same.
Yeah, not at all. There you have it, guys, the Muse Mattress. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check out the description below the video or read the full written review on tuck.com.
Feel free to check us out on Facebook
and Twitter.
We do free sleep product giveaways all the time. I have tons of sleep news and tips, so stay up to date with everything Tuck.
Sleep well.